Hi, in this video we will talk about BitTorrent Sync. What is BitTorrent Sync? It is a peer-to-peer sharing program that will allow you to share folders with your friends. So this is my fake email. This is just free email that you see it sucks, so that's why it's free. And I received a sync code. You see, B3UA5. Hi, I share some photo with you. The sync key is this. You can delete which photo you don't like. With this key, your edits will not propagate in the network. So this is perfect to share files with many people. Like for example, there is like a birthday, there are 20 people, and I can take 300 photos. Is like 10 gigabytes, and I have no idea how I can give these 200 photos to every people in the party. So I go to getsync.com and I share the folders with all of them, and I just send them the read-only key. So now I download. I can sign up for have some updates, and then I run. So some text is gonna be in Italian. So back to the mail. Yes, I agree. Yeah, it's this. I don't create an icon on my desktop because it is useless. A sync is going to be loaded automatically when I start up the computer. It works on Windows, Android, Apple and Linux. So basically it covers anything. On Android is a little bit buggy and I don't like it. So when it's finished loading, we will set up our shared folders that I received by email. So I enable this, I get started. If I don't want it to be in English, I can do on the preference, and then I can choose any language. And then when I choose it, I close and open it again, and then I change the language. Now it looks like this one say add a folder. No, I don't want to add a folder, because if I add a folder, I will share with other people this folder. So what I need to do is copy this key, right click, copy, and then I go back to sync, I insert a key, and then I paste my key. Now I press next, I choose a location for my folder, for example ciao on my desktop, and then I select my folder, and now it's syncing, is receiving, and then it's done. You see there is a crossed pencil on the icon. That means this is a read-only folder. If I change something here, it will not propagate to the owner of this folder. So that's perfect. So suppose this photo I don't like it, I can delete it, and who sent me this link will not get his photo deleted. You see, this is a read-only folder. Any addition, changes or deletions you made on this device will be lost and not synced to other device. So this is perfect for receiving photos or videos or anything from an event. So I can share safely this link to 50, 100, 200 people, and they will not change my original file. They can delete whatever they don't like, you can delete whatever you don't like, and it will be synced. So yeah, if I don't want to have this folder anymore, if I press share, I can share. I cannot share as a read and write because I don't have the write permission. So you see, it's not going back what I delete. Even if I close and then I open again, it will not happen. So I can see an archive if it's enabled and something deleted accidentally can go there if it's enabled in preference. Or if I don't want to follow this folder anymore, I can disconnect it from my system. So I just press the three dots, that means more option, and I will just disconnect it. Disconnect. When I disconnect this, I will not lose any data. It just stops to receive any additional data. So if I'm fine with this, and then my data, the data I already downloaded, is still on my system. And then I can add it again. I can add another key, the same key, next, on desktop, and then write ciao2, and I select folder. Doesn't work? Yes, select folder. And yeah, already done. Here, everything is back again. This is a great technology and is peer-to-peer, so there is no need for a central cloud server and doesn't need any subscription. It's totally free. It's great. So now I disconnect the folder and I close the program and the video finish here. Bye bye.